Hello, Taskers. I just wanted to say to everybody, if you have any questions at all about exactly how to join the platform, what I do, how I quit my 9 to 5 job, anything of that sort, anything at all that might come to your mind, feel free to ask me. I want to be able to talk to you guys on a human level. I understand that fear often stops us from doing the things that we want to do in life. And I just want to tell you more about my experiences and then also help you try to like prepare yourself to make the decisions that you want to make in regards to this gig economy struggle or hustle or whatever you want to call it. So feel free to just email me or anything at jackrabbitasker.com. I'll help you out as much as I possibly can. Anyway, next video is coming up very soon, probably Friday, Thursday or Friday, but I'll let you guys know. See you next time.